Hey there, pet lovers! Today, we're going to show you how to safely and effectively remove ticks from your furry friend. Ticks are not just a nuisance. They can carry diseases that affect both dogs and humans. That's why it's essential to know how to get rid of ticks on dogs properly. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials for your cute pet. With the right tools and techniques for removing ticks from dogs, you can keep your dog healthy and comfortable. Whether you're a new dog owner or an experienced pet parent, these tips will help you tackle ticks with confidence. Let's get started! First, gather your supplies. You'll need a tick remover tool or fine-tipped tweezers, gloves to protect yourself, antiseptic for cleaning the area, and some treats to keep your dog calm and rewarded. Make sure your dog is calm and comfortable. Give them some gentle pets and speak in a soothing voice. You can also give them a treat to keep them relaxed. Carefully part your dog's fur to locate the tick. Ticks can attach anywhere, but commonly you'll find them around the ears, neck, and between the toes. Put on your gloves and use the tick remover tool or tweezers. Grasp the tick as close to your dog's skin as possible. Pull it out slowly and steadily without twisting to avoid leaving parts of the tick behind. Once the tick is removed, clean the area with antiseptic to prevent infection. Keep an eye on the spot for any signs of irritation or infection over the next few days. Dispose of the tick by placing it in a small container of alcohol to ensure it's dead. Never crush a tick with your fingers, as this can spread disease. Finally, reward your dog with a treat and lots of praise for being so good. This positive reinforcement will make future tick checks easier. And there you have it! Regularly check your dog for ticks, especially after they've been outside, and follow these steps to keep them healthy and happy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet care tips. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.